Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Jennifer. If you've been here before, welcome back, and if you're new, welcome. Today I have a completely microwave meal for you. I'm going to prepare red curry poached salmon. Now you're going to need 3 microwavable dishes or bowls or whatever. It has to be microwave safe. You need some cling wrap or saran wrap. I've got a mini chopper because those that know me know that I don't have any knife skills. You need cilantro, and the recipe requires you to use some of the stems. I have a supposed to use 1 inch of ginger. I'm going to clean that and cut that. You need olive oil, avocado oil, or vegetable oil. I'm going to use olive oil, sorry about that. You need some Thai red chili curry paste, coconut milk. If you don't want to use coconut milk, you can use Greek yogurt. It has to be thick. This recipe also calls for 1 jalapeno, seeds removed. I'm using pickled because that's what I like. I have some sea salt, 1 shallot, and it's too big. It's supposed to be a small shallot, so I'm going to cut that into 4s. Lime juice, and you need brown sugar. Now this recipe calls for 4 pieces of salmon. I'm not going to get 4 out of that. I'm only going to get 3. And I forgot to tell you about the lemongrass. I caught hell getting that. Just let me tell you guys. I drove to I don't know how many stores, went online, but I finally got it. So let me give you the measurements. You need 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, olive oil, avocado oil, 1 small shallot chopped, 2 tablespoons fresh cilantro with the stems, 1 small jalapeno pepper, remove the seeds, or you can add the seeds if you like it, 1 small stalk of lemongrass, 1 inch of fresh ginger, 1 14-ounce can of full-fat coconut milk. You got to shake it up really well. 1 tablespoon of red curry paste, 2 teaspoons of brown sugar, 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt, and you need 1 tablespoon of fresh lime. You need 4 ounces skinless fillets. I've already took the skin off, and if this will cook faster if it's at room temperature instead of cold. Like I said, every step of this is 3 steps. We're going to do each step separately in the microwave. So I'm going to get everything set up and get everything chopped, and then come back and show you guys how to do this. Welcome to my channel. Like I said, I upload 2 videos a week, and I include an inspirational quote and tell a joke at the end. So I'm going to put you guys on pause, get everything chopped up. Let's get cooking. Okay everyone, here's the last bit of my little bitty food processor. And I've got it here on a plate. We'll get the last of this out. I'll show you. See, if you have if you're good with a knife, that'd be the way to go. Or a big food processor, but I have a big one, but I just didn't feel like getting it out, so I'm going to use this little itty bitty one. Take the blade out. I'm going to scrape all this out. And I've already put 2 tablespoons of olive oil in my microwavable bowl. I'm going to add this mixture to it. Like I said, this cooks in steps, and everything's cooked in the microwave, so you guys might really enjoy this. You don't need a skillet, a pan, or anything. So I'm going to go ahead and mix this up. And then you put this in the microwave for 3 to 4 minutes. So I'm going to put you guys on pause and microwave this because you want this to be very fragrant. I'll be right back. Okay everyone, I cooked that in the microwave for 3 minutes, so you see how dark in color that is. And it basically, like I said, it cooks it, makes it soft, and you can do it in a skillet, but why would you? And the next step is you add the coconut milk. And I had to shake this up very well. You want to shake the can up really, really good. And I'm adding 1 full can, and like I said, if you don't want to use that, then use Greek yogurt. That is 2 teaspoons of brown sugar. And then you need 1 tablespoon of red curry paste. Oops, that's not going to come out of there. Do something smaller. Do it. Kind of eyeballing it, won't hurt anything. Add that in there. And then you want to mix this together. You want to add a little bit of salt, 3/4 of a teaspoon. So you can use kosher salt too. I just happen to have sea salt today. Add that in. And so you have to cook this also in the microwave. See, that's why you don't have to use a skillet or anything. This is a completely microwave meal. Now you want to cook this in the microwave for a good 3 to 4 minutes until everything is mixed. So I'm going to put you guys on pause and pop this in the microwave and let this go about 3 minutes, and then come back and show you how we put this together. And like I said, you'll be eating in 20-25 minutes, just as long as it takes this and your rice to cook. And if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. More importantly, share and leave me some comments. I try to reply to each and every comment, and I just reached 1,000 subscribers. I'm so happy and blessed. And I'm going to give another giveaway. If you guys missed that giveaway, please check out that on my short. The young woman who won, she was nice enough to send me an upload of how she loved her Coach bag I gave away. And if you do that, you don't have to, but if you choose to, if you win my next giveaway, I'd be happy to upload it. So let me put you on pause, put this in the microwave for 3 to 4 minutes. I'll be right back. Okay, everyone, so I just got this out of the microwave, and that's been cooking for, I did it for exactly 3 minutes in the microwave. You just want everything to mix together. And then to this, you want to add your lime juice. Get that all mixed in. And then add your cooked, well, I guess they're vegetables. Get those added in that have also been cooked in the microwave for 3 to 4 minutes. Mix this together, and then from this step, very simple. Take your microwavable pan or dish, and you want to put the salmon in here and coat it. Now, if you want your salmon real well done, you want to cook it on the outer edges. If you want it more raw, you want to cook it towards the center. And since I only have 3 pieces, I'm going to cook all 3 on the outer sides because there's not 4. And there's the 4th piece, and then you pour this mixture on top of it, like that. And then you cover this in some cling wrap, and you cook this at 50% power. Now everybody's microwave is different, so you have to go 6 minutes and then check it to your desired doneness. I like my salmon closer, more done than raw. So depending on how you like it, that's how long you cook it. So I'm going to cover this up tightly, put this in the microwave for 6 minutes, and at that point you start checking it to see if it's to your liking, and then you increase at 1-minute intervals. And like I said, you want to go 50% power. And I'll turn the camera around and show you guys this in the microwave. I'll be right back. Oh, I forgot. You know, I always forget something. Those of you who've seen my channel, you want to add a little bit of salt to the top of this before you microwave this. So I'm just adding a little bit more salt to this. Now I'm going to cover it back up and put it in the microwave. Alright, and like I said, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. My girlfriend made this for me, and it was absolutely the bomb. But I love curry. If you've seen my videos before, I can do curry every day. So I'll put you on pause again. I'll be right back. Okay, everyone, this has been 6 minutes, so I'm going to lift it off like I would suggest you do, and then check it with a fork to see if it's like you like. But I'm going to go an extra 2 minutes because I'd rather mine be overcooked than undercooked. I don't like my salmon really pink in the center. I apologize, I turned the camera. So I'm going to put this back in the turn the microwave back on for another 2 minutes, take this out, and we should be all set. I'll be right back. Okay, everyone, there you have it. Poached salmon in the microwave. The whole dish was completely cooked in the microwave. I think you guys have really enjoyed this recipe. It was really good. And like I said, you don't need any additional dishes. So let me serve this up, and you know I got a great joke for you guys. And once again, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. And more importantly, keep checking back with me. You don't want to miss my next giveaway. So I'm gonna pull this over. Try not to mess up my counter. Get this in view so you can see it. Okay. Take a piece of the salmon out, which is perfectly cooked. And this sauce is really flavorful. So I like a lot of sauce. That's why I didn't mind being short 1 piece of salmon, because like I said, I like a lot of sauce. So works well for me. And then you want to garnish this with some extra cilantro. I never chop it, I just roughly tear it because that's the way I like it. Okay, so let me turn the camera around and tell you guys my joke. Okay, there you have it. I put a slice of lime on the side. You want to squeeze some lime juice on it just before you eat it. So here's my joke. One day you have this guy sitting in his living room, and he was on his computer looking through this dating site. He came across a beautiful woman. Man, she's beautiful. He couldn't believe she was on a dating site, so he started messaging her. He waited, sat back, and she hit him right back. He was hyped up. He couldn't believe it. He hit her back, and the next thing you know, they agreed to go on a date. So Nguyen picked her up in his car. He took her to one of the top restaurants in the city. They were sitting there talking. He pulled out a pack of cigarettes. He said, "You good?" She said, "Oh, no. What would I tell my Sunday school class?" He said, "Oh, I'm sorry about that." He put his cigarettes back up. He said, "Well, at least go ahead and let's have a drink." She said, "Oh, no. What would I tell my Sunday school class?" He said, "Sorry about that." So they went on and ordered dinner and everything. He paid and they had a good dinner and good conversation. So he was taking her home, and as they were driving home, he saw a motel coming up. He figured, what the hell? He doesn't have anything else to lose. "You want to grab a motel room for the night?" She said, "Sure." The man shocked. He said, "What would you tell your Sunday school class?" She said, "The same thing I always tell them. You don't have to smoke and drink to have fun." That was pretty good. Well, anyway, like I said, thanks for watching, you guys. Please come back for the next one and keep checking because you don't want to miss my giveaway. Thanks for watching, and God bless.